The psychology of a woman's mind, pure strength. 1. Unbreakable strength. A woman's mind can carry pain that would break most people, yet she still smiles, still loves, and still builds from the ashes. Her silence hides storms you'll never understand. 2. Emotional intelligence. She doesn't just feel, she reads emotions. She can sense the energy in a room, know who's sincere, and see the truth behind every fake smile. That's intuition, not weakness. 3. Adaptability. A woman's mind is built for transformation. She can be gentle or fierce, quiet or unstoppable. She becomes whatever the moment demands. That's her survival skill. 4. Vision beyond fear. When a woman decides to rise, fear no longer controls her. She sees possibilities where others see limits. Her belief turns chaos into purpose. 5. Healing power. Even after betrayal or heartbreak, she rebuilds not to prove others wrong, but to prove to herself that her peace is priceless. Her healing isn't soft, it's strength in silence. 6. Focused determination. When her mind locks onto a goal, nothing can stop her. Doubt, judgment, failure, all become fuel for her comeback. 7. Love is power, not weakness. A woman's love can build empires or destroy illusions. It's her greatest weapon, pure, strong, and transformative.